How to recover your deleted Facebook post. So it's very simple. You have to follow my all steps. For recovering your deleted Facebook post, you have to simply go in your Facebook and then you have to go your profile. You can see here I am on my profile. After that, let's take I want to delete my this post. So I have to click here three line and then simply I have to click here move to archive or move to task for deleting. Simply I have click here for move to archive. Then for recovering this post where you have to go your profile again and then you can see here three line. You have to click here three line and then you will can see her option archive. You can see her archive, then you will can see her your archive option, and if you delete in task you will can see her task. Then from task you also can recover, and I simply recovering from my archive option, and then you can see her restore to profile, and you have to click here simply restore, and this post will be restored again in your profile. You can see if I refresh it, my post will be come in my profile. You can see here the post have been come. So this is today's video. Thank you so much.